Right, so how to make iron-on fabric. So we've got some hemming tape here. This is quite easy to find. Most supermarkets will have it, sewing shops, craft shops, that sort of thing. So you know the amount of fabric that you need, or you can just do a random amount. In my case, so this is the back of my fabric, and I'm wanting to do a star. So let's just do one more that side. Okay, so we've laid out all the stripes of iron-on. Now we've got a piece of grease-proof baking paper here. Lay it on top. Take your nice hot iron and you iron it down. Okay, and then you just peel off the greaseproof paper. Give that a minute or two to cool, and then you can cut your shapes out, whatever shape you like. In my case it's the star. Cut it out and then you iron it onto your fabrics.